Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to fix Netflix quality. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open the Netflix app and sign in. Now tap the three dots at the top right and tap Settings. Here tap Video Quality and choose the one you prefer. Another method to fix the quality is through the account settings, so tap Account Details. Scroll down and tap the drop-down icon at the right of your profile. Then tap Playback Settings. Here you can choose the video quality you want. It also shows the data usage on the video quality. When done, tap Save. So that's how you fix Netflix quality. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.